Hello friends, welcome back. This is Venkat Sare. Today, I am going to show you how to do an important teaching task using AI tools. That is nothing but making lesson plans. Lesson plans are very important for a teacher to teach a lesson. You know what is a lesson plan? Lesson plan is a clear layout or the structure which include different items. So these items help us to plan our teaching for that particular lesson. A lesson plan may contain different items like learning objectives and the teaching methodology, teaching materials, and what kind of activities that we have planned for that particular lesson to teach that particular lesson, and the learning outcomes and how we are going to evaluate the children. So everything will be included in that lesson plan. Sometimes we can plan according to the number of periods that are allotted for that particular lesson also. So this is a lesson plan. Some lesson plans may include some other items. It all depends upon the subject. So the lesson plans may vary from subject to subject and school to school, board to board, CBSE, ICSE and state boards. So it all depends upon the guidelines given by the boards and the schools. Anyway, teachers also will have some freedom to add some items or to remove some items from the lesson plans. So now you have to make a lesson plan. You have some items fixed to your lesson plan. You wanted to write the learning objectives of the lesson and materials, activities, evaluation and learning outcomes. So with all these things, you want a lesson plan for a lesson. How do you do that using AI tools? So what do you need to create a lesson plan using AI tools? You need three things. One, the script of the lesson that is in the soft copy format, and two, one AI tool, and three, a prompt. So what is a prompt? Prompt is nothing but the input that we give to the AI tool. It is just a statement, so which explains your requirement. So you have to put your requirement in the form of a statement that is called as a prompt. So if you write a proper prompt, you will get a proper response from the AI tools. So now let us see how to write a prompt to get a lesson plan by giving a sample script to the AI tool. Let us begin. So now let us see how to create a lesson plan using an AI tool. So to do that, we need to have a script. Here we have some scripts. Let us take this class 6 social lesson 1. And we need to take one AI tool. Let us take ChatGPT. So go to Google, type ChatGPT and click on ChatGPT. Here is our AI tool. So we have the script and AI tool. So the third thing needed is a prompt. Let us write a prompt. I want an 8-day lesson plan based on the given script. So we are going to give the script. So this is my prompt. I want an 8-day lesson plan based on the given script. So I'm mentioning that I have 8 days for this lesson. I planned 8 periods, 8 days. So accordingly, I want the plan. But this is a very simple prompt. So it is not clear. We are not mentioning the other details. So if we wanted to make our prompt more clear, if we wanted to get a more clearer layout or the lesson plan, we have to give the complete details. So let me add some more details. Please include the following for each day. Please include the following for each day. So what are we going to include? Like teaching objectives, teaching methods, teaching materials. So I wanted to include all these things in my lesson plan. I want all these items to be there in my lesson plan, teaching materials and activities. So I want to give some space for activities also in my plan. So activities and learning outcomes. Learning outcomes. So here is my clear prompt. So if you want to add still some more details, you can do that. Include one group activity. So I want to include one group activity. Group activity on any one of those days. One of these days. So in these 8 days, on one of the day, I would like to have a group activity for my children. And plan an evaluation on the last day. So last day, I would like to have that evaluation, testing. So I made my prompt so clear. So I can click on this button to get my lesson plan. But here, still I would like to give some more details. That is, I have a digital board with internet connection in my class. So if I add that to this prompt, so while making the plan, it will suggest the activities for which we can use our resources like our digital board. We have a digital board. So it will give some ideas how to use your digital board in this 8-day lesson plan. So I'm going to mention that I have a digital board with internet connection in my classroom. So like this, whatever the details that we wanted to give to this AI tool to get a better plan, we can include all the details. Try to avoid give your personal details in this prompt. So almost done. So now let us generate our lesson plan. We have given a clear prompt. So to generate a lesson plan, here we have to click on this button, this up arrow mark. But here we have given the prompt, but we did not add our script. So here is a plus symbol. That is add photos and files. Click on this, add photos and go to library. Here we have the script class 6th social lesson 1. Select the script. So we're going to create a plan for class 6th social. Click on open. So here we have the script and here is the prompt and here is the AI tool, that is ChatGPT. Now click on this up arrow button to get your detailed lesson plan. So it is reading the given document, whatever the PDF that we have uploaded. So ChatGPT started giving the response. So that is the lesson locating places on the earth. So here is the 8-day plan. So it is giving the plan in the form of a table. So day 1, teaching objectives, teaching method, teaching materials, activities, outcomes. So everything is being mentioned so clear. What to be done on day 1 and what to be done on day 2 and day 3. It is dividing topic wise. We can see that every day one particular topic is given. So here the topics are distributed for all these 8 days. Let us see where we got the group activity. We got the group activity on day 5. We asked for a group activity. So plot coordinates of cities on a large grid map. So day 7, day 8, evaluation and reflection. So we asked it for evaluation on the last day. So we got it here. So here is a complete lesson plan mentioning the inputs that we asked, like inputs we have given, and the items that we want to include, like teaching objectives, teaching method, teaching material, activities, and learning outcomes. So everything is so clearly mentioned. And here we have a column for teaching materials. Here we can see this, what sort of teaching materials we need for this lesson for all the 8 days. We got it here. So now we can copy this lesson plan to Excel. To copy the table, here we have an icon, copy table. Click on this copy table and open Microsoft Excel and then paste. So we can make adjustments to this lesson plan. So here we have an 8-day lesson plan for the lesson that we have selected. So in this way, we can use AI tools to create a detailed lesson plan. So not only ChatGPT, we can use Perplexity or Claude to create a lesson plan. So in the next video, we will generate some other lesson plans using other AI tools, and we'll compare which tool is able to give a clear and better lesson plans. So we can do many more wonderful things using AI tools. So please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon to get all the latest updates, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thanks for watching till the end.